Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. I am standing inside the chicken run. I gotta excuse my zip ties. I gotta cut those. But I realized I haven't given you guys an update on the chicks, even though I haven't been on in a while either. You know, and I'm just realizing spiders really love this netting. The gate they have. Let me get that out of here. That's a nice web. I want to be coming in, walking into huge webs. No thanks. But I wanted to show you guys the chicks. They've gotten really big. Um, Out of the original chicks that we got first, there are three. Three of the original. The other three died. We don't know why. It was we're not sure why. Some kind of sickness. I don't know. But then when we went back to the store to get more, it was like the chicks that were in there were laid down and they looked like the chicks we had. So I'm like, we'll go somewhere else. So we went somewhere else and got um, Barred Rock, and these are Sex Link. So I'm going to show you guys. These are the chicks. What is this? They are huge. Look at them. So we raised them all this big. I can't believe it's been this long. For the original three, it's been since March. And then, let's see. I'll have to look it up, but I'm not sure how long it's been since we had the newer ones. But we did raise them from chicks to, they're still kind of chicks, but they got big quick. This one right here is sneaky. Because I'm telling you, every chance she got, she was trying to get out. And the Barred Rock is nosy. Hey, nosy, you know your name. Yep. And that's Lemon, the Orpington. One of the Sex Link is Speedy. I think that's the bigger one is Speedy. And Brownie, I haven't came up with a name for the other one. Too many names. I have to remember them. But yeah, the other day I came in. My husband let them out and he's like, yeah, they got some food. He was on his way to work. So I was like, okay. But then I come out, I was like, oh, they need some more because it was low. So I came in and they were all over the place. I'm like, are you trying to attack me? Are you that hungry or thirsty? So it was hilarious. They climbed the door. I was like, oh my goodness, where is my phone when you need it, right? Like I could have so recorded that, but I didn't have my phone. But I just wanted to come on to update you guys on the chicks and show you the chicks. Now this, I have to clean it out, of course, but we got this from Blaine's. I believe, yeah, Blaine's Farm and Fleet for like $2 something or something like that. It was on sale. So it was a great deal at the time. My husband made the chicken walk in the run. Of course, and I got to cut these zip ties now. But yeah, I just wanted to come on because we haven't been on in a while and just update you guys on something, right? So I'm like, let me update you guys on the chicks. Our broccoli, let me tell you, this weather has been so crazy. We went straight from winter to summer. No spring. So My broccoli that I was growing, we harvested two, and they were small, but hey, my Yafa broccoli went straight to seed. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get the seeds from that and the top soy and just plant my summer squash and watermelon and everything, because everything that's supposed to grow in the spring, we'll just switch it to fall. We know that now. Well, that's how the weather was this year. It wasn't like that last year. They've been allegedly messing with the weather. So we'll see. And I know I'm not the only place. But just want to come on and update you guys. Many blessings to you all. Like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings to you all. Thanks for stopping by the Hollis Urban Garden. Have a great day.